Most brands today are driving massive sales by using AI-generated UGC ads across digital platforms. They are not hiring models or spending money on expensive product shoots anymore. In this video, I will show you how to create highly realistic UGC ads inside one simple workflow without switching tools or paying for multiple subscriptions. This platform is called jinn AI, and I left the link in the description below. To get started, click on Canvas mode and create a new canvas. You can rename it based on your project, for example, Viral UGC Ads. This is a new feature that has just been added, and it makes video generation much easier by keeping everything in one workflow. Double tap anywhere to create a node. We will start with a text node where we enter a prompt describing the image we want to generate. You can drag and position the node anywhere on the canvas. Use these controls to zoom in, zoom out, or fit everything on screen. Type your prompt here and position the node. Now let's add an image node. Click on the middle dot and drag to connect it to an image generation node. Once connected, select the image generation model. Nano Banana 2 is currently one of the best options. Choose your aspect ratio. I am going with 9:16, which is perfect for vertical videos on TikTok and Instagram. Then select a resolution up to 4K and run it. You will get a realistic image like this of a model holding the product. Now let's turn this image into a video. To create space, simply pan left using your mouse. Then drag from here and connect a video generation node. Choose a video model. These are the latest and most powerful options, and they support audio. I will go with Kling 2.6. Add a simple motion prompt here, including dialogue. Set the duration to 10 seconds and generate. In just a few seconds, you get a video like this.
I've been using this perfume lately, and I'm actually obsessed. It smells really good, not too strong, just soft and fresh.
It looks very realistic, and the lip sync is impressive. To save it, click here and download it to your device. Now, let me show you a more advanced workflow where multiple nodes connect into one. I will create a new canvas and start again with a text node. This time, I want to generate the female model first, without the product. Here is the prompt, then I connect it to an image node. Sometimes you might connect the wrong node and need to remove it. If you right-click, you might not see a delete option. Simply select the node and press the backspace key on your keyboard to delete it. That is how you remove any node. Since I still need it, I will reconnect it. Leave Nano Banana 2 as the model, set the aspect ratio to vertical, resolution to 2K, and run it. While that is generating, scroll down and add another text node. This is where I will paste the prompt for the product, which is a lady's bag. Connect it to another image node. Since this is a product, I will use a 1:1 aspect ratio. Keep the resolution at 2K and run it. As you can see, both nodes are generating at the same time. Now we have both images, one for the model and one for the product. To combine them, add another image node and connect both images into this single node. Enter the prompt for the final composition. Adjust your settings and generate. From these two images, we now get a final result of the woman holding the product, perfectly blended with consistent character and product detail. Now it is time to turn this into a video. Connect a video node and choose your model. This time I will select Google Veo 3 Fast. Add your video prompt, including dialogue, set the aspect ratio, and run it.
I love how this bag just fits everything and still looks this good, and it's honestly my go-to every day.
The result looks really good. This is how you can create high-quality UGC ads using the new Canvas mode inside jinn AI. You can also create other types of videos like short films, where your characters stay consistent within a single workflow. I have left a link in the description below, so go ahead and try it out. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the videos on screen right now to discover more powerful AI tools. See you in the next video.